Hey, welcome back to Lehitro Bank. My name is Adam. Have you noticed how fast AI is taking over online work? The truth is, some jobs that were booming just a couple of years ago are quietly disappearing, replaced by AI tools that can do the same tasks faster, cheaper, and sometimes better. But here's the thing, you don't have to be scared. In fact, there's massive opportunity if you understand what's happening and how to profit from it instead. Let's start with the jobs that are disappearing first. Routine tasks are going away quickly. Things like basic content writing, simple graphic design, data entry, social media scheduling, and even some customer support roles. Tasks that used to require a human for hours can now be done instantly by AI. That's why some online freelancers are noticing fewer gigs or lower rates. But here's the twist. AI doesn't just take away work. It creates new opportunities. The key is to pivot from doing the work manually to leveraging AI to do the work for you. And the amazing part is these opportunities can often be more profitable than the old jobs themselves. Let me give you a concrete example. A few years ago, people were making money writing blog posts manually. Now, AI can generate high-quality content in minutes. Instead of competing with everyone else manually, you can use AI to generate content for multiple clients simultaneously, package it into services, and scale your earnings far beyond what a single human could do. That's profit through automation. Another example is graphic design. Simple graphics, social media posts, and even logos can now be generated by AI tools. Freelancers who relied on doing these tasks by hand are being replaced. But those who use AI to create multiple designs quickly, offer packages, or run agencies are making more money than before. It's the same work, just scaled through AI. Lead generation and client outreach is another space being transformed. Instead of spending hours finding leads and sending cold messages manually, AI can automate the process, generate personalized messages, and even follow up. People who understand this shift can run lead gen services, sell the system to clients, or manage multiple campaigns at once. The opportunity is huge for anyone willing to adapt. Here's the pattern you need to understand. AI replaces repetitive tasks, but it creates demand for system design, strategy, supervision, and creativity. The people who profit aren't doing the work manually. They're orchestrating AI to generate results. That's why some freelancers see declining work, while others are building businesses that earn multiple times what they did before. Let's talk mindset. Fear comes from thinking that AI will completely take your job. But opportunity comes from seeing what AI does best and figuring out how to leverage it. Your focus should shift from performing tasks to building workflows. For example, instead of writing one blog post per day, create a system using AI that generates content, schedules it, and even promotes automatically. Suddenly, one person can manage what used to require a team. Another high potential area is digital products. AI can help you research trends, generate ebooks, create templates, design courses, or even write scripts for videos. These are things that can be sold repeatedly without continuous manual effort. Jobs might be disappearing, but digital product creation and automation-based services are booming. Here's the key. The people who profit are the ones who pivot fast. They stop doing the tasks manually and start building AI-powered systems. They focus on providing value at a higher level, strategy, insight, optimization, and delivery, while AI handles the repetitive work. That's where scalable income comes from. And let's be clear, this is happening quietly. Many people don't notice that AI is reshaping the online job market until it's too late. Freelancers lose gigs, small agencies struggle to compete, and manual service providers see margins shrink. But those who notice early, adapt, and build AI-driven workflows are the ones who thrive. I want you to walk away with one major lesson. AI isn't the enemy. It's a tool. Jobs are disappearing. Yes, but the opportunities to profit are bigger than ever. You just need to identify which tasks AI can handle, figure out how to systematize them, and sell the output or service at scale. For example, if you are offering manual social media management, pivot to AI-assisted social media management. If you were writing content for clients, pivot to AI content systems that handle multiple clients at once. If you're doing lead generation, use AI to automate prospecting and messaging. Each shift allows you to earn more while doing less repetitive work. The final takeaway is this: fear plus opportunity equals action. If you focus on fear, you get stuck. If you focus on opportunity, you find ways to profit from AI. This isn't hype, it's reality. Jobs are evolving, and the smartest move is to adapt, automate, and profit. So don't wait until AI fully replaces your niche. Start experimenting. Identify AI workflows that can replace repetitive tasks and design systems that generate income automatically. That's how you turn fear into profit and survive and thrive. In the new AI-driven online economy, the world of online work is changing, but the opportunities have never been bigger. The choice is simple: resist and lose out, or adapt and profit. If you like this video, then hit that like and subscribe button. If you want more deep dives like this,